Hi there, this is ASL Private Limited, and it's been about 20 years teaching English language. And this is ASL Empire. You can see a lot of students are speaking over here. And in these 20 years, we have trained more than 25,000 students and have been placed in so many countries, so many companies, and so many sectors. They are running their lives successfully. And today, hi, what's your name?
Sumit Yadav.
Hi, Sumit, please tell me what are you doing over here?
Like I just come here to improve my English,
Okay,
and to basically the basic concept of coming here is to learn.
learn. It is Saturday and a lot of students are speaking English language over here. Hi, Piyush. What's up? What's going on?
Nothing, sir. We are just conversing on a topic that was related to streams and all that. Which one stream should I choose so that I can have a better future?
Okay, at this time, a lot of problem, having a great problem about their streams and all.
Yes.
A lot of students, they complete their 10th standard, even they're still in a fog what to take stream in 11th standard. So what you have taken, what you have thought into your mind you are going for?
Like, according to me, I would like to choose arts because my aim is to crack UPSC. But the thing is that it depends on the person's mentality and person's capability. You can say that if he is good in those subjects, so he should definitely go for it. Like we can't force him to do that.
Yeah. Hi, what's your name?
Sir, my name is Julie.
Julie. Okay, Julie, are you married?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, tell me, Julie, after getting married, it is really tough to survive into society and all. You know, a lot of people or to continue studies and all. Please tell me.
Yeah, it's very difficult for me because I have to focus on my home and I have to focus at my studies. But it would be good if you have a good partner also.
Good partner. Yeah, a lot of students sitting over here, but we guys aren't going to spend a lot of time over here. Let's move forward towards another room so that we can talk new people, new students over here. Okay. Hi guys, very good evening. Hi, will you please tell me what's your name?
Slok.
Shlok, it is Saturday and what is going on over here?
As you can see, there are a lot of students who are here to speak in front of everyone, and they are improving their English as well.
Okay. Tell me what are the benefits to be here, especially on Saturday?
Especially on Saturday, there is a public speaking. Means you get a chance to speak in front of a lot of people. So it improves your confidence, and it also increase your vocabs and way of speaking skills.
Okay. Hi Kanish, what's up?
I'm good. What about you, sir?
Yeah, quite well done. So please tell me, a lot of students, whether they are not regular over here, in spite of their coming over here, especially on Saturday, they tell me the way, for what they're here on Saturday.
Okay. So I think those who are coming on Saturday, they must be working persons.
Yeah.
They don't have time on coming on the Monday to Friday. So that's why they come on Saturdays to just for a little bit practice. So they have a good hand on English speaking. And they always teach something to us because they are our seniors, right?
Yeah.
So that's what I think.
So as far as I know about you, you are seeking for a particular job in multinational company.
Yeah.
Okay. A lot of students, those are coming over here, have been placed in multinational companies.
Yes.
So what company are you dreaming for?
Okay, so I would like to go in Deloitte, I think.
Okay.
It's a prestigious company.
Yeah, really?
I'd love to work with them.
Okay, okay. Come forward, my dear friend. And this is Empire of Airs, a lot of students. Hi. What's your name?
Kangana.
Kangana. Hi, Kangana. What's up?
Everything is good, sir.
Okay, what is going on in your life?
I am just waiting for my exams because my exams are going on. That's why I'm just.
Please a little bit higher.
I am just preparing for my exams. My exams are going on, and I'm just working on my conversation skills and my vocabs. That's it.
Okay, you are studying in 12th standard. So are you going to hit regular college or correspondence?
Correspondence.
Correspondence. Why a lot of students go for correspondence? Would you please let me know why they are doing it?
Because honestly, I don't know about people, but I know about myself that I want to work on my skills, and I just want to be focused on that working on my skills. That's it.
Yeah, thanks. Nice talking to you, Kangana. Hi guys, very good evening. Hey, Mr. Jha, the star, shining star. Look at the man. Hi, Mr. Jha. What's your preparation about your examination and all? Tell me.
It is going very fantastic.
I have been preparing for so long, so I think I will nail my exam soon, and I will achieve whatever I want. So thank you.
Okay. So what examination you going to hit now?
I am going to hit JEE Mains in April, or 4th April.
4th April.
Yeah.
Okay. So you are dreaming for a scientist. What? Please tell me. Because people, India wants to know.
I am dreaming for this computer science engineer.
Yeah.
Yeah. If I will not be able to do so, so I will go for the ISRO scientist.
ISRO scientist. So you are going to be the second missile man or what?
Well, I hope this will happen. I will be the second missile man of the India. But I know today tomorrow I will be the great scientist.
Yeah. You are coming over here, ASL. Tell me something about this institution.
This institute is very good about if you want to learn English, so it is very good to learn English.
For learning English.
I'm also coming from last 6 months here.
Okay.
And I have seen lots of difference in me.
Right. What do you think? In future, you will be an excellent speaker of communication?
Yes, of course, sir. I will be an excellent speaker.
Yeah, please. Next.
Yes.
Hi, my dear friends. How are you? What's up? Yeah, what's the name?
Roshan.
रोशन. तो यहाँ आपको क्या लगता है कब तक रोशनी रहेगी जब तक आप रहेंगे?
Yes, sir. It's depend on up to you and also us.
No, it depends on student then really how you guys are being taught over here, how you guys are being trained. So tell me, Roshan, what you have learned from this institution?
I have learned a lot of things, sir. First thing, I have learned confidence. When I came here, I was very underrated, like you can say
Underrated.
underconfident. But after some time, I gained some confidence.
Yeah.
And after some time, my seniors were very supportive to us.
Yeah.
Like they were giving me so much what we call support.
Sorry. So in future, you must be seeking a job. So what company you are dreaming for?
I am dreaming for a Deloitte, and
Okay, why everybody is talking about Deloitte?
because it's a very big company, that's why I'm talking. And I'm also seeking for those kind of job.
Okay, nice. Hi, how are you, my dear friend?
I'm good, and you, sir?
Yeah, quite well. Would you please a little bit higher?
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah. So, what do you want to say about ASL? Please tell me.
Actually, I find that environment where I can enhance my speaking English. That's why I think ASL is best for anybody who wants to learn English. And I didn't find any other institute comparatively to ASL. That's why I think I will be here.
Please show everybody the atmosphere of this institution so that everybody can get to know what kind of things are taught in America's spoken language and how students are trained over here. This is the platform where a lot of students have been trained and placed. So many companies, especially multinational companies, because we guys are training students for their career, for their life skills, and we guys are training them for uplifting their sons and their families too. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I would like to request to everybody, please follow America Spoken Language, and whenever you think, yes, you need to learn English, yes, we guys are here for you to serve you, and today or tomorrow you will definitely shine like a star. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.